Welcome to Gasbot. We make it easy to get gas. In this video, we're going to walk through the Gasbot interface and walk through a sample transaction. In order to get started, go to Gasbot.xyz, click on the Refuel tab. It's going to take us to the main swapping page. We need to connect our wallet. So I'm going to connect my wallet using MetaMask. And immediately you're going to see all of the tokens that I have across my wallet, across different chains. So for example, I have USDC across Optimism, Polygon, Arbitrum, and Avalanche. So our interface is going to allow you to take some tokens from one chain and get gas on another or the same chain, all without needing gas to perform that transaction. For example, I want to interact with the Arbitrum chain, but I have USDC on Polygon. I need some gas on Arbitrum. I can just select the Polygon USDC, and let's say I want $5 worth of gas on Arbitrum. I'll select Arbitrum as the destination chain. As you can see, we currently support these chains, but we plan on expanding to more chains in the future. So after I select the destination chain, it's going to come up with some summary information. It'll take about 15 seconds to complete, and it's going to give me information about the fees for the swap. So the way this fee works is we charge a 1% swap fee, just based on the total value, minimum of 30 cents. And then we also charge for the gas that it takes to perform the transactions on the source chain and the destination chain. Gas costs are lower on Polygon, so you can see it'll only be about 1 cent, but it'll cost about 23 cents on Arbitrum to complete the backend transaction. So once I understand that, I can see that I'll receive about 0.0028 ETH, and all I have to do is sign my permit message, which is as easy as clicking this button. That's going to pop up a little notification in my MetaMask asking me to sign this permit message. And we're going to run through some of the details of this permit message. So the deadline is basically the time until this permit message will be valid. It's set for 1 hour from now. The nonce is just basically an indicator for the token that I'm signing. Owner is myself. I'm signing this permit message on behalf of myself. The spender, this is our Gasbot contract. You are permitting the Gasbot contract to pull your funds. And value, this is the total value of USDC that the Gasbot contract is able to take. And this is in its token decimals. So most of the time USDC has 6 token decimals. So $5 of USDC would be 5 times 10 to the 6th. So it's 5 with 6 following zeros. All I have to do is click sign. And once I click sign, Gasbot is going to receive that signed permit message and create those transactions needed to get you your gas. So you can see the inbound transaction is already completed, and now the outbound transaction is going to complete now. Taking a look at these transactions on Polygon, we can see that it's a simple transaction to take $5 USDC from that sender, and now it's in the Gasbot contract. And on the outbound side, on this line here, you can see that the ETH was sent to the sender. So that's the entire life cycle of that transaction. No gas was needed from the sender. We paid for the gas on both sides. And just deducted it from the total USDC taken from the beginning. This was an example of a cross-chain swap, but we can perform this on the same chain as well. For example, if we want to take USDC from Polygon and receive gas on Polygon, it's the same process in the UI, but you'll notice that we'll only be charged for one transaction, all on the Polygon side. There is no second transaction. If I click to sign permit and sign the message, then it would all happen in one transaction where we take the USDC and send you gas on the same chain. So that's the only difference there. It's a very simple interface, very easy to do. We will be adding more coins in the future, such as USDT and other stables, and more chains as well.